Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide story on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Sharing everyday moment on Instagram stories is fun, but sometimes you might want to control who sees them. Instagram gives you the ability to control the visibility of your Instagram story. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to hide your story on Instagram from specific account. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on the profile on the bottom right here. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option hide story and life on what you can see your content sections. You can just tap on that. You can tap on hide story and life from. And here you can choose the account, your friends on your Instagram that you want to hide your story from. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. And also this one. You can also search on the search bar on here for the account. After that, you can just tap on down at the upper right corner here. So now, whenever you create story, anytime you create story on your Instagram, the account that you choose, they can't see your story on your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to hide your story on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!